My chair, my crib sheet, paintings on the wall, spare paint that I haven't used in a while, large bottles, smaller bottles, still big bottles, but not as big as the ones I just showed you. My turntable, silicone mat, top of the spinner, more bottles, my camera, OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas from Good Grips. Lots of skewers with paintballs on them, lids, cell activators and colors, lots of tools, palette knives, spatulas, there's a bucket of shovels back there, storage underneath my table, my step stool I step up on, more storage underneath the new table setup, my drying rack, the proverbial bucket right there, my new water bucket, paint cans that have nasty water in them, a triple shelf, more paintings, today's canvases waiting to be photographed, the black drop that I use to make my videos on Instagram, more storage, more miscellaneous overflow. There's a lot of that. My closet.
Hello?
Hello, I'm making a video.
Okay, sorry.
And my Sherwin-Williams colors to go. And my Prism pours and some golden fluid acrylics and some primary elements. And that's pretty much it for now. I'll see you guys. Thanks for visiting. Oh, overflow.